Now that you have an email list started, how in the world do you even know what kind of content you're supposed to send to this list, how often, and what you're supposed to say to them? Have you ever felt that way? I started my email list and it just sits there because I don't know what I'm supposed to be sending. If that's you, I am going to help you out here today with giving you really strategic ideas on exactly what you can and should be sending to your email list. Hi, I'm Lindsay Sewell, and if this is the first time that you've landed on my channel, I teach you, the busy online marketing entrepreneur, how to stand out online, how to personally brand yourself, and create the time and financial freedom that you deserve, all while making your marketing and your business fun again. If this is the type of content that you want to learn to help you grow your business, make sure you click the bell notification and subscribe below so you never miss out on one of these valuable videos. And in today's video, we are going to talk all about email marketing. Now, if you're wondering whether or not you should even be creating an email list, is email marketing dead? I heard the open rates were terrible. Go ahead and watch my video, The 7 Reasons Why I firmly believe you should be creating an email list, especially as we head into 2020. And once you get that list started, I want to give you concrete ideas on what you can do to send valuable content to your email list so that your emails get opened, they don't get deleted out of the inbox, and your audience actually looks forward to seeing an email from you. So if you're wondering what type of content to create and you don't have any experience with copywriting and you've never written to an email list before, I highly suggest that you go and subscribe to a handful of other lists in your niche. Find the people who are in your market, who have the audience that you already want to have. Find the people that are in your market who have your dream audience and go subscribe to their lists and watch the kind of content that they send out. Read the way that they word their emails. Look for the things that trigger you to want to buy, because that's exactly the type of content, the type of language, and the type of inspiration that you need to get your audience to buy your product or your service or join your opportunity. So go find, I'd say 3 to 5 folks in your industry who have your dream audience and get on their lists and start studying up. The second thing you want to make sure that you do is you add a welcome series to your list. So when someone opts into your list, you don't want it just to be the dead zone where they don't hear from you for a week. You want them to instantly receive a piece of content from you. That's why it's called an autoresponder. It automatically responds to your list from you. But you need to set those up. So I recommend setting up between 1 and 7 emails that will go out to your new subscriber to give them some information about why they're on your list, who you are, and what they can continue to expect from you so they know that they want to stay on there. Now, if you have testimonials that you can share, or you can invite them to take the next step with you, these are all great things for you to do in those first couple of emails. So anywhere between 1 email to 7 emails, whatever feels best for you, but give them some reason to expect that they're going to continue hearing from you by setting up those first initial follow-up sequences. The next question I get all the time from my clients is, Lindsay, how often should I email my list? And I'm gonna put it to you this way. If you were to send 50 emails to your list and you only sent one once a week, it would take you an entire year to send those 50 emails. And it would take you a really long time to get good at copywriting, to get good at communicating with your list, and to figure out what they respond to and what kind of content they really want to receive from you. Now, think about if you were to send an email a day for 50 days. Within 2 months, you would have sent all of those emails out, and you would have sped up the process of getting really good at email marketing. So if you want to become a good, effective email marketer, I would email your list as often as you possibly can, even every single day. If you can do that for the first few months while you're practicing, while you're getting good. And then once people are on your list and they're used to hearing from you, you can stretch that out again. But I know some very, very, very effective email marketers who still email their lists every single day. So my suggestion to you is, in the beginning especially, more is better. So what am I gonna say to my list if I'm going to email them every single day? Well, you can take your other content that you're already producing, either on your YouTube channel or on your blog or on your social media accounts, and you can cross-promote that to your email list. For instance, if you put together a Facebook Live video and you share that to your Facebook profile, your Facebook business page, the life of that video is only about 24 hours. But if you start to cross-promote that and you email a link to that video out to your list the next day or 2 days later, you will continue to extend the life of that video, plus come up with valuable content for your list that they're likely to want to consume. So use your other content to cross-promote to your email list so you don't run out of content ideas. Use other pieces of freebies and information that would be of value to them, blog posts that you find that you enjoy, anything you think that would be valuable to your audience, and send it out to them via email. And my last tip for you today is that if you want to be a great email marketer, the number one skill that you need to learn is copywriting. And I have an invitation for you today. If you click the link below, you can grab the Copywriting Mastery course that was put together by my good friend Brian Finale and 8-figure copywriter. So if you're serious about getting really good at using words and language to convert people into sales, then you want to become a good copywriter, and you're gonna wanna make sure you check out that link below and pick up the Copywriting Mastery course today. And I will see you in our next video.